Hello friends, my name is Renuka and today we are talking about how you can get more out of your supplies while making a card or while making any art. So most of the times I decided to gift the art pieces. I bought this frame from the Michaels and then I just watercolored these leaves with the two-tone, and I will show you how you can do the same thing for your cards also. If you are creating a masterpiece or someone give you 5x7 card and you want to put that card inside the frame, like these frames, it's very easy to put them inside the frame. I will show you how you can do that. So you can put these as your, so these frames come with these small mats also, which I already removed, but this is the 5x7 card which I created before, and I just want to show you that how you can make these card as an art piece or give someone, or someone, if someone gave you 5x7 card and it's really mean something to you, you can just put that card inside and put this. You have to just close these and then you have a piece of art to gift. So you can customize that, you can create their names, and you can create the the things you want. So most of the times I do the watercolor and I do these kind of stuff. If you want to see how I do it, I can show it on a video also. So this is the card. Now this is the A2 card. Why I'm choosing and showing you this, that you can put the 5x7 paper behind it, and then you can use mat also. The mat came in this 5x7 card itself. This mat is like this. So I'm just removing this frame, and then you can put it back, these glass. Okay, this one is a glass, but you can use acrylic also, and then you can put your thanks and your appreciation. I appreciate all you do. So this is the card. So you can put directly card, or you can put the work like this in this kind of frame. I just want you to show you the sizes, like how A2 and A5 card work for this. And another thing I want to show you is, if your art is not that big, you can frame your art just like this also, or you can cut down your art to make it more precise size for it. But if you want to pop this card, you can put like these also, something like this. You can stick it without mat, so you will get the border outside. Another idea you can use is the washi tapes. I have some of the washi tapes with me, so you can create or select the washi tape which kind of matches with it, or which gives you more kind of good effect with it. And you can put this, and you can just highlight by putting these washi tapes all around the frame. You can follow the guideline, and that can also give you a beautiful look. You can choose smaller or bigger, or you can combo the two of them to cover all of it, and you can apply the same technique for other artworks also. But basically why I want to show you this, that how you can preserve your memory and how you can select the card you want. As a card maker, I make mini cards, and I really want to put them, like if you want to put the really display on the card, you can do that. Without mat also you can do that. This is the 5x7 frame, and 4x6 is like the inside of that thing. So another thing you can do with this is, mostly I cut out my worksheets in like half of it. So I'll measure this one is for you. So this is like 6 by 9, and I just make this piece, and I thought that it would be really nice to add more things, so I add some of the distress oxides, as well as I put the golden colors and little bit highlighting with the white jelly pen. I'll upload the video how I made this. If you want, let me know in the comments. And now you have to find out that how you want to take this, and for particularly for this one I need to cut it. So easiest way to do that is I gonna put this frame on it, because I want to trim down on the small size, and then I can cut it around if my piece is bigger than the I thought. Now I want to show you the another piece which I made. So look at this mat, it's so big that it is kind of covering the piece, and this is like it will cover the piece with that mat. And this so you can change the photo frame according to your size, but basically what I'm trying to say is, if you are using your cards and you want to put them inside like this one, and that gonna give a really nice effect. You don't have to cut 5x7 card piece, is gonna easily inside. Maybe it's a memory for someone, maybe it's like a Christmas card and it's sent it by a very dear one. You don't have to put the art piece only. I just want to share you that process. Now for particular this, I decided to trim it off, and then I decided to put inside the card paste. So for that I will use my pencil here, and I'm gonna trace all around it. You can use a paper, scissors or trimmer to cut down this. And now I have this, so it's pretty easy to make. And I will not throw all that scrap paper, because I can use them for a different projects, maybe putting down some sentiments on it, or maybe doing some kind of extra accent on it. So I will keep that with me, and I'm gonna make these 2 frames to give someone. And the same time after this I will show you that how you can wrap these in the gifts, and it turn your artwork or gifts into the gifts. So this is the thing. I will speed up the process after this, cause nothing much to tell about it. You can see how I pack them. Basically I will use the bubble wrap most of the times, and for that little bit handmade touch I used to write behind that handmade with love. Just wanted to express my heartfelt gratitude for all you have done for me. Your kindness and support have mailed downward to me, and you can give this inside your, you can fold it, put it inside just like that, and you can put this inside, so that what happens, the recipient can pass over this card to someone else, and it is kind of a paying forward thing. And then you can grab it and you can put it all this stuff in a nice small brown bag or any gift bag, or you can wrap it around with another brown paper or any gift wrapping paper.